Colorado Twilight Meet. Are you guys excited to run your races?
I'm thrilled.
It's not raining. That's a perk. No rain.
Weather's beautiful.
Team photographer.
What's up? How
Ari,
we doing?
At our last Twilight Meet.
It's gonna be spectacular. Definitely no dark clouds over there. All sunshine and rainbows.
There's the dark cloud. Right there.
What?
Joe, what are we running today?
We're running the 8. It's a day to have a day, Aaron.
How's the weather?
Can't complain. The rain's holding off so far. We'll see what happens. Everyone's talking about distance events. This is perfect weather. What about mid-distance, Aaron? What about us?
Forgotten. Amy, how was your race yesterday?
It was great. Woo! I'm a miler now.
Lily, are you racing today?
I'm not, no.
But you set up the banners.
Yes, exactly. So it's a similar effort.
That's a good line.
Elise, what are you racing today?
That 800 meters. Woohoo. I'm not fun right now. I'm getting in the mode, Ron. It's game face time.
Good luck.
Doing the roll is half an hour.
What are you guys racing today?
1500. I know. You got me off guard there. 1500.
And it's gonna rain.
Yeah, unless we go right now.
Yeah.
We can spike up.
Hey, what are you guys racing today?
The fastest 1500 that you're ever gonna see
Nice.
at the university in Wall.
You got your spikes?
Oh yeah, I got him.
Out of Heat 2. Let's go. Heat 2. It's gonna be a green seat.
Yeah?
Let's go.
Good. Good luck.
Yeah, you're not expecting very much.
How's this rain, Declan?
Oh, I love the rain.
What are you racing today?
Well, I'm racing a 1500 run. And
All right, there's Coach Fran in the rain, meet director, putting out fires. Got it's like the third heat of the 800. You got Elise over there, getting ready to rip. Another 210 probably, maybe 209. Nice! Good race. Three to go! Let's go, Battle Road! It's a video. Big time. Let's go. Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! Yeah!
What is going on, bro? Look at John.
What is this drink, Malik?
Corona Rita.
Danger.
We have to bring.
Malik, are you gonna ride your bike home tonight? Or are you gonna drive Dan's car?
With the bagels.
Oh, get the fucking bagels out of our kitchen.
He was like, yo, enjoy the bagels. I'm like, no, we're taking them
Your
home.
house is gonna be full of all of my old stuff.
Where is your bike?
I even
I don't know. They won't tell me where
What do
they
you
put
mean?
it.
It's under the jacket.
It's like my bike, and I won't know. I don't know where it's at.
So you can't.
Peanut M&Ms. Don't give those to John Benner. He'll die.
Some of those dropped out onto my hand.
Amy, what are you eating tonight?
It's a double snake gummy. One side is sour and one side is sweet. Wait. And they're twins.
Oh, Harbio.
But
Where are you guys going?
Yeah, Sean hates us. We're all clubbing.
Nah, they're going to the strip club there.
This is why we were putting the group chat. It's like people with the most interesting stories. Yeah, we're going to the club.
Yeah, they're going to the strip club.
Aww. Amy, what are you looking for?
Dan lost my car keys.
Your car keys? Lost?
Usually I'm the problem, and tonight it's Dan.
It seems like tonight it's Malik.
It is.
Passed out. Malik was throwing up earlier because he had blimpies. Huge mistake.
You were throwing up? What's a blimpies? You were part of the food poisoning.
Morning after the last Twilight meet. Bike into the long run. Should be good. John Miller.
We're still vlogging?
Still vlogging.
Like San Fran round 2. Are you biking or running today?
Whoa. I think I'm just gonna bike.
I like that.
So I'm not doing that many miles running, but I get to hang out with you guys the whole time if I bike.
Yeah.
So where'd you go last night? Anywhere?
No, we went to Aaron's apartment and did not go to the Grand.
Oh, I'll find someone who went to the Grand.
I heard folks didn't come back till the birds are
So what's on deck today, Malik? Sorry.
You want to go again?
So what's on deck today, Malik?
Let's see. We're here at Harvard, classic Coliseum, and I don't know, we've got maybe 13, 14 miles along the water. The rain died down, so it should be a beautiful day.
There he goes.
Classic Declan shows up late.
Shows up late, goes to the porta potty.
I want nothing. I want it all now. I got a dirty mouth. I'm not gonna wash it off. I got baggage. It's got big wheels. I got a little dog.
So Derek, who's your character in Mario Kart?
King Boo. Best statistically. He's got great acceleration, decent weight. Drift is okay, but you can always deal with that if you're good. Where's Joe Hurton today? Good. Joe Hurton did his long run this morning, actually. Already? Yeah, before this? We met at 9 o'clock. He's sleeping. Okay. We're the lazy ones. Yeah.
At Joe.
Biting at my heels. I'm not gonna heal you. Not gonna make your dreams come true. Don't touch me. Don't even look at me. I got laser beams coming out my eyes.
Why don't you start ripping, Jamie?
Do you have like Instagram Live or something?
I have a vlog, Holly.
What
Did
is
you
that?
not know
What is that?
about that?
Video log.
Oh boy.
What does that mean?
The word, a video log of my life.
And where does this go? Like on the internet somewhere?
It's on YouTube.
I see.
Dark web. It's on here.
I'm not signing a photo
Vlog number what? 36?
Yeah.
Very good.
Please like and subscribe.
Smash that like button. Don't go to Elise's page. Ron's better.
Yeah. Yeah, where's Elise today, guys?
You went clubbing last night, so that close to the clubbing. Yeah. Like,
I hear the 100 subscribers. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Tarps are off. Yep.